Yeah.
Sorry, it's my belly. It's jonesing for some pizza. Hey, hurry up. I'm hungry down here. I need your advice. I'm starving. Have you tried eating? I'm still kind of hungry. I wish I had my chili dog. I think it's gone for good, buddy. Not much we can do about that. Oh, guys, my tummy feels weird. I think the chili chips are working. Hi, schedule. Sorry, Courtney. There's only three things that give me gas: chili, cheese, and chips. These are chili cheese chips. It's the Bermuda Triangle part. Definitely. No, I'm great. Really. I'm so starving. Chris, freaking us out was the last thing I wanted to do. I was starving. Deal. Okay, cool. So marbles now? Put them marbles? Yeah. It's a neat business. You don't have to do it. Need peanut butter edible now.
Where's the film going? I guess. No. Hold up. Donkey. Monkey.
Oh, damn. Damn. You know that feeling you get when a volcano is about to go off in your face? Hey, you know what? You have no idea which end's gonna fall. You want to see my Yeah.
I need to find something.
Oh!
Come on.
Oh, what it is? Okay, it passes. It's not Jimmy. Okay. This is so good right here. Oh, yeah.
It's a tie between me, Cole, and Damien. Money, one way to settle this. And go by the national. Sam. Okay. Another type like that. We didn't Cole. This is tie. It's a tie. It's a tie cute. Last night, the thing pull out. Okay. Fine. Oh, so if I concur that me, David is so we need it. Can be allowed. See, look, don't let me down. Oh, I already know that meal's on the card.